Hi there, this is Mrs. Michelson, and we are going to do a tutorial on the second half of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So we're going to start right here where it says with a chick here and a chick there. And we're going to go from with a chick here and a chick there, and we're going to stop right here first. So let's look at the notes. D, D, G, 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 D, D, G, G, G. Sing and finger just that part. Sing and finger that part. Ready? Go. D, D, G, 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 D, D, G, G, G. Now let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now we're going to sing and finger from here, a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick, all the way to the end, to Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Sing and finger here, a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick, starting there. Here we go, ready? G, 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 D, E, E, D, B, P, A, G. Now that's a lot of G's in a row, so what you're going to want to do when you're playing that is think the words in your head. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick, Old MacDonald had a farm. Otherwise you're going to get lost and it's a little tricky to try and count all of those. Let's try and play from here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick. All together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now we're going to go all the way back to with a chick here and a chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I'm going to play that all together. Let's sing and finger it first. Here we go. Singing and fingering, starting out with a chick here. Ready? Go. D, D, G, 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 D, D, G, 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 D, E, E, D, B, B, A, G. Now let's play it. Starting from that point. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. That was a long song. It's a long song to try and learn, so make sure you've mastered each part 1 and part 2, before you try to put it all together. I'm going to make one more video where we sing and finger and play Old MacDonald Had a Farm all the way together. Good, happy practicing. Good luck. Oh, you'll also notice that I made a mistake in there, because even Mrs. Michelson makes mistakes sometimes. And if you make a mistake, you just got to keep trying. It's okay. Happy practicing.